Okay, we're going to install the new frunk hood struts to give the Tesla Model 3 an quote-unquote automatic opening frunk. What I got off Amazon, is the 6304 PR hood struts. I think it gives a different model number on here, 46304P. And I think it was made for like a Cherokee or some sort of Jeep product before. I've already gone and done this once just to make sure I can do it. Might not be able to do it with one hand. What you want to do is just obviously make sure the hood is up, and you're going to get your small screwdriver, insert it here to a little ring tab, and pull out. I've done it before, but that's as easy as it comes out. And same thing on the bottom one. There's another little place to insert your screwdriver, pull out the ring tab, and pull out the strut. You'll get your new strut, and just because I only have one hand, I'm going to place the screwdriver in first, put it over the ball joint, push in. Now you'll see that the new strut is just a tiny bit shorter. We're gonna have to do, see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, put that in, just push down on the frunk a bit, and on. There you go. That's it. I got two of the struts. There's a second one, but I'm only going to use one. I found that that activating the frunk, it would kind of come up and it would kind of hit at the top of its operation a bit and wobble a bit. So tested it with just one. Seems to be working fine. Only other thing you want to watch out is get these rubber seals here at the sides. The first time I did this one bent out up onto the wiper blade. Just make sure that this stays down. Same as on the other side over here. So rubber seal or whatever it is stays down there. And I know you're supposed to use two hands, only got one. I've also got the easy open spring in it. And then we'll just go in here and open it. A little bit of hit at the top end there, but it's a lot better than the other one was with both of the new struts in it. And again, pushing down, doesn't seem to be any different torsional forces from each side from the new strut being a bit stronger. Again, took me less than 5 minutes doing it with one hand and operating a camera at the same time. If I can do it, I think pretty much anybody can. That's it.